Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make homemade ghee with homemade butter at your home. So this is my homemade butter guys, and I will show you how to make ghee from this. So I put the butter in the vessel, and when it started melting it will take some time. So the butter it started melting guys, and can you see a lot of bubbles, and can you hear the sound? So when the sound stops, that means the ghee is ready guys. Nice aroma of fresh ghee from fresh butter, homemade butter guys. So can you see the color of the ghee guys? It started becoming light brown. So we can see a lot of bubbles in the ghee. So when there is no bubble, that means the ghee is ready. Shuddh ghee, we can say Shuddh ghee. So can you see guys, now it's time to switch off the flame, and can you see a lot of froth in the top of the butter, and I'm removing these sticks so that we can see the butter, and this is the homemade ghee guys. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make a homemade ghee with homemade butter at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.